If you need a strict budget or live paycheck to paycheck, a zero-based budget is a great tool. The goal is to end up with $0 at the end of the month. Weird, right? But every penny will go towards something productive. Start by looking at your monthly take-home pay. Then, calculate exactly how much you have in recurring monthly expenses: rent, utilities, student loan bills, and so on. Then, look at other areas you often spend money, like eating out, going to the movies. To make it easy, let's say you take home $2,500 a month. You add up all your expenses and spending for the month, and that number equals $2,400. Great, you have $100 left over, so you're golden, right? Wrong. Take that extra $100 and add it in your budget for something like paying off debt or increasing your savings. Just remember, your budget should end up at zero every month. Each month your spending could change, but with zero-based budgeting, you know where everything is going. And that puts you one step closer to being debt-free.